Hi everyone, welcome to Smile Tech Apps. Today I will show you how to install Windows 11 on Microsoft Lumia 950 XL or Microsoft Lumia 950. Currently, I will show you how to install my on Microsoft Lumia 950. I will do another video which will show the same concept of installing Windows 11 on the 950 XL. So let's get started. First, we will need to visit this link. This is the main page of the WA project. So if you see waproject.github.io, so this page will speak about the guides. It will show the process of installing Windows 10 ARM or the Windows 11 ARM on Microsoft Lumia phones. Okay, so let's get started. Let's just do a glance of this website. So as you can see, this project brings Windows Desktop operating system to your Lumia 950 and Lumia 950 XL phones only. Okay. So with Contonium also we can use that. Mobile Twist. Okay, we can. So it is like we can dual boot the phone now to straight away to Windows 10 ARM or Windows 11 and also your Windows phone. Okay, so there are few other topics that they have kept here. So let's go and get started. The first is let's go ahead and download the Windows recovery tool from the Microsoft website. So as you can see, there is a Windows device recovery tool. So I'm going to download it and I'm going to install it. So this is I've already installed it. Okay. So please install this so that it will install all the Lumia phone drivers in the phone that are required for later, like flashing the phone or unlocking the bootloader. Okay, I'm going to exit this. Okay, first click on this Open Guide button. So it says unlocking the bootloader. Prerequisites. So it says you need to have a Lumia 950 or 950 XL phone, Windows PC, and a good cable to connect the phone to the PC. As always, I say your phone should be charged 100% for this process. First, let's download this Windows Phone internals file. So just click that link and it just takes me to this particular website. Next, click on code. Then if you see Windows Phone internal 2.8, click this. Then you come to this link. So you need to click this link. The latest version of the Windows Phone internal is 2.8. So let's click and go there. So if you see, I have come to this link. Now we need to just download this. Yes. So it's getting downloaded here. If you see, it's already downloaded. Okay. So let me just open the folder. Yes. So we have it here. Okay. So I say extract all. So I'm going to extract it to my specific folder. Let's keep everything in one folder. I just kept named it like a Microsoft here and have the Windows Phone internals here. So let me just sorry. So let me just save it in the folder. Okay. You'll need to just create a folder and save it there. If you can see, inside my folder, Microsoft, I have kept ready all the files. So now we have downloaded the Windows Phone internal 2.8. So let's get started. Let's just open this README file. It just talks about the basic versions and phases and limitations. So let's open this. So you click X and we are in this window. Okay. Here I say continue. Okay. So ensure your phone is connected. So basically I've already connected my Microsoft Lumia 9 for this experiment, I'm using the 950. So I've already connected the Lumia 950 module here. So that is why it's giving the basic information. Now, what I'll do is I'll need to just go to unlock bootloader and do it. But before this, first thing is we need to go to the okay. When we go to unlock bootloader, it will ask in order to start unlocking the bootloader, the phone needs to be switched into flash mode. You select OK here, and you'll see your phone uh, parallelly. It will restart and go to the flash mode. Okay. Now, now if you see, it is so we are in this window where it is telling that we need some files for unlocking the bootloader. So you see this download section. You need to just go to this download section. Okay. Then if you see this link, see program data Windows for internal repository. So let me just click it. So this link, what will happen is there if you just scroll down here, you need to just click search here first. Okay, it will show the required files that are needed to flash this phone. Okay, so there what you need to do is you need to just first is click search, you'll get these files, then you just click download all here. Okay, this is important. So these are the files that will be used to unlock your phone. Okay, now just click download here. Yeah, once you have downloaded the file, come back to the unlock bootloader. Okay, now one more thing. So we were in flash mode and we have entered, we have downloaded the files. And I think what you can do is you can just switch off and switch on your phone back. Ensure it is charged to 100%. Then come again, follow the process, click the phone, then click unlock bootloader. It will tell you to restart. Then come scroll down. So here, come to this window where it will ask you to select the FFU file. So let's go there. So I think okay, it should have automatically selected. So program data, Windows Phone internals, repository. Here, this is my FFU file. Okay, and it will also ask you to select the ED file. I think automatically it should get selected. In my case, okay, let me just select the ED file. Okay, so now what you need to just do is let me just here. Yeah, ensure your phone is properly connected. So it's in now. What I'll do is I will click unlock here. As soon as your phone goes to unlock, okay, your Microsoft phone will start to reboot many times with the red color screen. Don't get worried. It is just that the phone is in the process of getting unlocked. So if you see, it is trying to attempt the number of flashing profiles actually. So different phones get flashed. For example, in NetApp 7 also your phone might get unlocked. So in my case, I'm not sure which profile. So it is just searching and trying to flash it. So let's wait. Yeah. Yeah, we see. My phone just flashed and we are rebooting it in the mass storage mode. So if you see this window, it's saying manually just restart your phone. Okay, so I'm gonna just press the power button for 10 seconds and it will restart my phone.
Press it and reboot it. I'm just rebooting it. Okay, now if you see, it says reboot phone, rebooting phone. This is the important step. Many people, I think they just feel they've already entered the mass storage mode. That's not the case. You need to follow this procedure, or otherwise you will end up with Windows boot gears. There's something called, there's an issue where instead of loading to mass storage mode, it goes to the Windows phone icon and then it goes to a gear screen. Actually, now if you see, bootloader is unloaded, wait for the connection with the phone, let it be there. If you see, my phone is booting up here, so let it boot to Windows phone.
As you saw, my phone also flashed. So what will happen is the phone will search for the second flashing profile and it will complete. Now, once this is complete, check and safely restart your phone once. Okay, go to the Windows Phone menu and then switch it off. Then switch it on now. So if you see it says phone is already unlocked. Okay, now we will just enable the root access. So the phone will reboot to the mass storage mode first. Okay, now the root access is also enabled and the phone is in mass storage mode. Because if you see, if I come to info, yeah, it's already in the mass storage mode. Okay, now we have the phone in mass storage mode. Now the second next step is, okay, so there are other features also. For example, like if you want to take a backup of your of your phone, you can do that. This is important because if something goes wrong in this process, then we might the phone might get brick and you'll not be able to use it. So it's better that you back it up. Okay. This is just an advice. I mean, it is like left to you on how to proceed. Okay. So now we are in unlock mode. Now, immediately what I'll do is the next step is the WA deployer. So let me just come to the WA deployer. Okay. So before the
Yes.
so before the WA deployer, let's go back and download the drivers and other. Okay, let's see what is needed in a WA deployer. If you see, it says open the WA deployer, browse. Okay, browse the ISO there. This. Okay, let's follow then. So let's go back. So I'm in WA deployer. I click here and I say run anyway. Yes. So this is the warning. Just click. See it says. Please before using this tool, create a full backup of your phone. Okay. So I'll just say okay here. So here we need to install the Vim file. For example, if I just come back to the website also, it is written there. Let me just go back here. So we need this install.vim file. Okay, where do we get that? So go to your Windows ISO folder. Okay. Okay, let me just go to my Windows 11 IRM here. Okay, I will mount it. If you just right click on this, you'll get the mount option. So I'll just click mount. So what will happen is this will open like a drive here. Okay, and if you see, there are a lot of files here, like say EFI sources. Okay, and if you see inside the sources folder, we got the install.vim file. So we come back to the W deployer, we select the install.vim file. So my PC, I go to my drive, I go to my sources, select this, I select OK. So here it tells what is the build that you want to install. So I will go with, as of now, let me just go with home build. Okay. Yeah, before we proceed, let's go to dual boot here. Okay, not dual boot, let's go to advanced section. Here it will ask you for few things. Okay. So like if they will ask you if you want to keep Windows 10 mobile, or you want to just use only the you want to use only the Windows 11 PC operating system in the phone. I am selecting keep Windows 10 mobile also. Okay, force dual and force dual boot, full single boot. That is okay. Now next, come back to deployment. In the advanced tab, you can select the space that is needed for this Windows. Let me just go ahead and select around 22 GB as of now, or let me just select like 20. So total is 24. So let me just select 23. Yep. One more additional information on the WA deployer advanced section. Here, as you know, we've selected keep Windows 10 mobile, and the space that we are allocating here, this is for the Windows 11 ARM. Okay. If you want both Windows Mobile and Windows 11, you can do force dual boot, and you can also check the status here. For my this tutorial, I am going with only Windows 11. I'm not keeping the Windows 10 mobile in my Lumia 950. I'll go back to the deployment. I'll just click. I'll just click deploy. So automatically during this process, this application will download certain files. So just let it install. So don't see if you see it's downloading some files. Okay, files. So you'll get this message. So it is about the driver. So automatically it's downloading. So that's fine. So let's just wait for this process. So as you can see, there are a lot of drivers that it is downloading here. So, so just let's wait for this process to complete. If you want to skip a little, if you want to skip and move to the for a little longer, you can just skip. Uh, I In this video we are showing end to end like how the process works. So yes, so yeah, if you see it's showing now configuring device. So if you see copying file, configuring BCD now, and if you see it says the developer menu has been installed. on your phone. So basically using the phone only we can go to the mass storage mode. Okay, now it says deploying Windows, cleanup done, verifying available space. So if you have followed all the steps till here, it is like almost like 90, say 70 to 80% the work is done. Remaining 30% is just that the Windows image is getting copied into the phone, and after this, what will happen is yes, once we start the phone, obviously we need to complete those initial Windows 11 setup in the phone. There'll be a lot of pop-up messages, so don't worry and don't try to click and see those. Just leave your computer like this so that all the let all the things happen. And I mean, I think it's better not to use your computer. I mean, you can use it, no harm in that, but let's just wait for a few minutes. If you see now, it's saying applying Windows image. I know many people had requested that we make this video to show Windows 11 installation on the Microsoft Lumia 950 or Microsoft Lumia 950 itself. That's the reason we prepared this video so that it helps you all Windows Phone lovers. So let's just wait. Yeah. So deploying Windows, I think this might take a longer time. This is basically the Windows 11 ISO image is very large, right? So to copy each of the files normally it takes time. This is the same time that is required like when you install a Windows 11 on a PC. As you can see, there's a blue indication here saying the process. Like it's if you just scroll over the mouse here, it says we have just completed 1%. Also, since we are here, if you see there is one place called help, and there is also like a donate. I think please use this option. Sorry, use this facility to at least donate to our developers. Uh, Go to the WA website. There you can see the developers there, or you can join our Telegram group about the WA. There we can help you out there. Yes, you can see now there's a blue indication where it says that we have just completed 4% now, right? So let this happen to 100%. So just wanted to speak few things. So if you see this tool has help option also, and this tool has donate. So basically, you can contribute something to our developers, hardworking developers who are trying to make this Windows 10 ARM or a Windows 11 ARM successfully run on a Windows phone. Okay, so let's just wait for this deploying Windows process to complete. As you can see, now we are at almost like 55%. Yeah, as you can see that we are almost at the end of installation, which is around 95%. So yeah, so let's just wait for this to complete. It is showing still at 95%. As you can see, we are at 98% now. I think a few minutes it will be ready. So if you see now, it's like making installation bootable, and finally your phone should be ready. Uh, so let's just let this process happen. So making installation bootable, yeah. So in this process, what happens first? They apply the, yeah. Now if you see, first they apply the image, then they make it bootable. Then they're injecting the drivers now. If you see, so they will inject the drivers for the specific device. For example, in this video, I taken Lumia 950. So they are injecting only the, when I say injecting, it means installing the drivers only for the Lumia 950 model. Drivers are important because otherwise we may end up in boot loop error. In the sense, Windows installation might not succeed peacefully, in the sense correctly. Okay, so let's just wait for a few minutes. I think it should be ready. If yeah, there is also a place which shows a log. If you just click here, right down, it says the log. So probably like saying, if you see right. First, it downloaded the scripts, then they downloaded the um drivers needed for this device. For example, it's saying like 892 or 8994, then it downloaded all the drivers here. Then, if, as you can see, then fetching as the drivers, then it updated the normal BCD information in the phone. Then it started deploying where it was applying the image, right, 1 to 100%, that one. Then certain cleanup done. Then it checked like, do you have any additional? Okay, oh sorry, deploying Windows. If you see here, it's like it will check for available space. Then it will format partitions. Then it will apply the Windows image. Then the step is now it is installing the necessary drivers. Okay, so I think yeah, this is like input standard driver, and I think this is the CPC. Here it says Stockman. So you can just close this log, or we can keep it open. I think that should be fine. So we can see what are the next step it does. See if you see here, yeah, Talkman. Now it is applying the Talkman desktop drivers. So let's see. Okay, next, yeah. So there are like certain USB driver it is downloading. I'm gonna okay, let you can just shift. I mean, you can just fast forward the video. Something this hardware USB installed. Now it's installing something related to the OEM SoC. Guys, if you want, you can just forward the video. When I say forward, I mean fast forward. You can just move on to a future time and see the remaining part of the video. As I told earlier, in this video, I'm just showing end to end. So yes. And also, I'm not sure if you noticed that I'm doing this Windows 11 installation on the Microsoft Lumia in Windows 11 PC already. So as of now, I have not got any issues as such. So, yep. I don't know if I am the first person or even you guys might have tried like installing the Windows 11 on Windows 11 ARM to Microsoft Lumia from Windows 11 PC. If you have done it, please comment. Okay. So if you see certain things, it's installing like camera driver, the graphic drivers, the the camera drivers. Okay. Let's just wait. So I will do a comparison of the Windows 11 ARM versus Windows 10 ARM because I have already one phone which has the Windows 10 ARM. So probably what I heard is Windows 11 and ARM is kind of little slow. But yeah, I think future updates from the developers team, yes, I think that might be fixed and it should be stable. Okay. So let me just open the log again. We'll see. Okay, there is some platform SOC drivers. Okay. So friends, as I told, you can fast forward the video to future time. Says minimal. Okay. So let me just repeat the process that we followed here. So first step is unlocking your phone using the Windows Phone internal tools. Some people face issues when unlocking the phone. So don't worry. What you need to do is first, again, reset your phone using the Windows Device Recovery Tool software from the Microsoft website. So there, I think you need to just flash one or two times. Then after each flash, you need to load to Windows Phone and properly shut down. Okay. Then come back to the Windows Phone internal tools. Go to the just click unlock bootloader. There, then it will ask you if to download certain files. If you already downloaded, then directly it will ask you to unlock it. So follow the process. Always remember there are two flashing profiles. Your phone might restart many times. So once the first flashing profile is done, it will search for the second flashing profile also. Your phone needs to be restarted to continue to that process. Once that is done, then what you need to do is you need to just it will display that your phone is unlocked. What you do, just power off the phone, power on the phone, load, go to the Windows phone screen, then power off, then you start again the unlock, the enable root access. Okay, so this way you will not face issues in unlocking your bootloader. Okay, so once you're, then what you can do is then use the Windows Phone internals to go to the mass storage mode, then come to this open WA deployer application. Here what you need to do is, so you need to just open the ISO mounted. Oh, sorry, yeah. In the deployer tool, normally it accepts .wm file, Vim file. So what you need to do is you need to you need to go back to your Windows ISO, right click and select mount option as I showed. Then you need to just come back to the W deployer tool, select that install.vim file. Okay, then go to the advanced section. There it will ask you if you want to keep your Windows Phone and also the Windows 11 uh, ARM. So if you want to keep Windows Phone, just select keep, and then you need to come back to deployment and just click. Then it will start this process. Okay, so I'm just waiting for this process to complete. I hope this video is very helpful for beginners or the experienced people. I know I did a lot of talking and I've been repeating many words. So, in case you like this video, please like, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please share and forward to all the Lumia fans out there. Okay. So if you see, friends, it is telling preparing phone for safe removal. So let's just see what it does. So it says done. Now follow this direction. Eject the phone safely to avoid data corruption issue. Reboot by pressing the power button and holding it until it vibrates. The phone will reboot inside the boot menu, Windows 10. Okay, phone will reboot. Then it says inside the boot menu, choose Windows 10. Okay, by using the camera button to start the Windows 10 ARM setup. Okay, wait patiently until the Windows 10 Windows setup starts. Oh, here it is Windows 11. So, okay. While you wait, the screen will likely become completely black for some time, some minutes. Don't worry, let it continue. If touching doesn't work, reboot until it works. No issues. If a red warning screen pops up and during the installation, related to unsigned drivers, choose to install them. So obviously yes. So there are like these are like drivers modified by the developers, right? So obviously it is not, some might not be signed also, so you can do the install them. Once the Windows setup is loaded, proceed as usual. Okay, then obviously please guys use this option to donate. Okay, so I'm gonna click close here and I'm gonna close this. Okay, I'm gonna then okay. Now in my next video I will show how to do the next Windows 11 setup in the phone.